The UK rail industry urgently demands innovation to enhance safety, reduce costs, and accelerate critical infrastructure renewals. Level crossings remain a significant risk to public and passenger safety. Unipart, in a pioneering collaboration with AtkinsRéalis and Newgate, developed LX Plus to address these risks by ensuring total system reliability before it ever reaches the track. This initiative transforms level crossing renewals by shifting complex construction, exhaustive testing, and precise commissioning predominantly off-site. Instead of components being assembled and tested piecemeal on-site, the entire level crossing system is manufactured, assembled, and undergoes 100% functionality testing off-site. This eliminates site integration faults and ensures 100% of equipment is functionally confirmed prior to site delivery. Once tested, the complete LX Plus unit can be stored in a dedicated facility. This allows it to be transported to the installation location only when site readiness is confirmed, transforming it into a complete off-the-shelf solution. This innovation is a direct result of extensive collaborative working. Unipart manufactures the road traffic lights and plug-coupled cables. AtkinsRéalis provides the electrologics level crossing controller. And Newgate supplies the 110-volt barrier machines. The adoption of LX Plus delivers a minimum 20% reduction in time on site. The pre-installation testing dramatically reduces safety risks for site operatives and enhances safety for the public by delivering highly reliable equipment to trackside. LX Plus transforms level crossing renewals by replacing variable site conditions with controlled factory environments, ensuring total system integrity and a more resilient, safer rail network.